Hello and welcome back to our super mega little tiny YouTube channel, a channel that on average gets 7 new subscribers every single day. Thank you very much, helping us become YouTube mega famous, and a channel that last week alone earned over £74. Boom, helping us collectively become YouTube gazillionaires. Thank you very much.
Wow.
What's the matter?
What an introduction. We are in week 10.
You said pull the trigger, so I did.
We are in week 10 of our Finnish adventure. As you know, we've been having a whale of a time, and this is our penultimate week in Finland. We are out in the countryside. We've got another national park to visit, and obviously, you know what we're looking for.
Gas.
Yes, gas and the elusive moose. But this time we're also looking for flying squirrels. I also put the nature cam out last night up in the forest.
For a flying squirrel?
No, not for a flying squirrel.
I'm trying to film you out, just your bum being in picture.
Good, don't get me bumming. I'll have to walk like you. I'll walk like you. "21 videos. That was me setting it up last night. What's a mouse? Is it a mouse or a rat? I think it could be a rat actually, it's quite big. That's it.
That was rubbish.
We are off to get the only gas in Finland, LPG, refillable in our refillable LPG tanks.
Yes, because there's been a little bit of confusion. So just to clarify, really super quick, British bottles of LPG are different to German, to French, to Finnish, etc. So we have a refillable system installed, which everywhere across Europe is really easy. You go to a petrol station and they have gas on a pump or another depot, fill your tanks, away you go. But you don't have that in Finland, except for one place near Helsinki. Boom, I did that really quick.
You did. So it is quite away from Helsinki. It's in Lohja. So we're heading there now.
Here comes the train I've been waiting for. Just a step in between me and the door. And all the years before, with a dream in my heart. I see myself standing in the glass. All of a sudden all these memories are passing like flowers on a casket. I'm leaving it all behind. Every broken heart and a fresh new start. When I worked so hard I was falling apart. Every memory is a chance to see that struggles just make up the best parts of me. We hit the gas and we kept it in drive all night. We lit the match and we watched it burn out.
He's just going to show him where to drive.
It could be so good. I had the time of my life. Had the time of my life. I used to fear this train would never show. That I'd be standing out here all alone with nowhere else to go. Ain't nothing to my name. But every broken heart and a fresh new start. When I worked so hard I was falling apart. Every memory is a chance to see that struggles just make up the best parts of me.
So this will be interesting. Andrew's gone into the hardware store and I don't know what he's going to come back with. Oh, here he comes. Looking very happy with himself. Oh no!
Like I need a new hat.
Oh, that one.
Metal shovel. Yes. Look at that. That's how Finnish do snow shovels. Wait for this.
As if you needed another one.
Camo. Full full flaps.
You don't have to shout.
Full flaps.
With orange stripes as well for those moose hunting moments.
Yes, because I think you can unleash
Oh, see, unleash the orange.
for safety. Look, because then safety takes precedence.
Wow, how much for that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Visit number 2. I have no idea what he's gone back in for.
Every mountain you faced, people that stood in the way, all led to this moment, nothing could ever replace.
Here he comes.
To leaving the old behind, wait for the time.
Hey up. Looks like some shady, dodgy guy. Come and see what I've got. Oh, a Fiskars one as well.
That is a proper from Fiskars.
Yeah,
So Finnish steel hunting knife.
fabulous.
We're built-in sharpener as well for all my hunting I do.
Jolly good.
Bargain.
How much was that?
Oh, €15.
Okay.
And I've picked up some lock oil, because our locks on all the lockers, because of all this grit and dust and grime that's getting coughed up, I can't keep on top of cleaning it. It's getting in all nooks and crannies. It's making all locker locks stiff, and we don't like anything stiff, so this will soften it up a bit.
Time of my life.
I think this is alright. So we're spending the night in this car park in the nature reserve at Porkkala. And we're out now for a dusk walk. You know what we're looking for.
Orca.
This is definitely the darkest place we've been. When I turn the light out, you cannot see a thing. Get ready. Even looking up to the sky, it's still really dark. Still feel totally safe. Good morning. New hat day.
Boom. And I know exactly what you're thinking. I know.
You don't.
Wow, what are you thinking? Well, no. I'm quite lucky that I can get away with wearing anything and still look good. I've got that bone structure. But not everyone can get away with this. But still got a bit of orange in there. I can undo my flaps and be safe. But my head is toasty warm.
Good for you. We spent the night here at Porkkala.
Exactly that.
Exactly that. Absolutely pitch black last night when we came out to have a look at the stars. You couldn't see your hand in front of you, could you?
Well, I couldn't because I were in bed because I didn't come out and look at stars.
But then, thanks Pauline for reminding us, I came out and saw the aurora. Never expected it to be this far south. It was covering the whole of Finland, although cloudy up in the north, so they may not have seen much, but we just saw a glimmer in the distance.
It weren't great, were it, to be fair?
I was amazed to see it this far south.
It weren't. It looked a bit just like you get light pollution if there's a city at distance, sort of a glow over the horizon. And if you really didn't know what you were looking for, you wouldn't think twice.
No, but on a long
as soon as you get your phone out,
yes,
your iPhone, and it automatically knows it's dark, so it takes a long exposure, suddenly it's emerald green.
It wasn't emerald green, but it's amazing how much it did light up the area, because when I came back out, I could see the trees around me at ground level, so it definitely lights the sky up. Bonus.
It lights my face up like having a new hat. And I got a new snow shovel, which is mega as well. And it's one of them things I never want to use, ever, like an insurance policy. But I've had a really naff snow shovel for ages. And every time I get it out, I think, it's rubbish this, it's just going to snap in half. So if you're ever going to buy a snow shovel, come to Finland, because they're really sturdy and they're not a lot of money. There you go. And I haven't even used my brand new knife yet either, because that's gonna come out in a bit, because I have a bit of a collection of stabby weapons.
So this morning I'm going to do the yellow route. Andrew's looking for finds as usual. As usual, we've avoided the worst of the cold by coming down onto the coast on a little finger again, sticking out into the sea. I'm on a good few degrees warmer than the mainland part of southern Finland. Right, come on, bud.
We said it before, but I really like all the trails here, because as you're walking around and following a path, you sort of feel, because it's not defined, that you're sort of a pathfinder, you're trailblazing, when actually subtly in the trees there are little coloured diamond shapes to follow. So even though there's no gravel path and handrails and things like that, you get that wilderness feeling when actually it's really safe and easy to follow without maps and stuff. I'm not recommending that you do things like this without a map, just saying.
Here you go, Pathfinder. There.
I miss them. I miss the yellow square there. Could have got lost then. Could have got a map.
Get you lost on purpose, I think. Although you get seen in that hat, love. You could put your hat into orange mode and then somebody'd come and rescue you.
I've got a problem because it keeps sort of
I know.
It's rotating. Looks like I've got like an Elvis lamb chop at one side and no to other. Anyway, my head's warm.
It's just coming out. I've literally just said I'd like to see a crested tit. And there's one there. And suddenly we're surrounded by them. The one in front of me now isn't... Oh my god, I think it's the one that you said. It's a goldcrest. And Andrew had just said he wanted to see a goldcrest. stand still. Keep still. You've got a great tip on your lens. Oh, it's on your head.
Have you filmed it?
Yeah. It's in that tree up there. It came and landed on your shoulder. Yeah. See, it's that new hat.
I literally, no one can see me, even wildlife can't see me. I'm like a thinking woman's Ray Mears.
Wow.
Like a thinking man's Bear Grylls.
Yeah. Oh, we've just seen a couple of huge deer. Having just said we haven't seen any deer yet. So what I need to say now is, oh, we haven't seen a moose yet. Let's see if one magically appears. There was two, there was one that had big antlers. Andrew, psst. It's coming towards you. You just see its little white tails running through the forest. Oh, that one's got big antlers. Well, good morning to another beautiful frosty day.
It's a bit cold, isn't it? Very cold.
Nothing on the night cam, but ironically, as I went to go and collect it from the woods this morning, as I got back up onto the car park, what should be crossing the road?
A moose.
Mr. and Mrs. Deer from yesterday. White-tailed deer. We could see their white tails really clearly when we watched back the video from yesterday. So, not native to Finland, but they arrived from the USA at some point, and there's loads of them now.
Everywhere, except where we are with the camera.
Just as we're about to set off, he's back. I bet he's looking for snacks.
We're slipping out of tune with each other. I think there's a
So we've managed to get all our jobs done today. Loads of washing. Service is done. Dinner out.
Posh meal.
Hess Burger.
The most famousest burger company in the whole of Finland, even more famous than McDonald's.
It's their own, and actually I thought it was better than McDonald's.
I did as well, so yeah, we're good. Yeah.
We're staying here tonight. We've just come down to the lake shore. It's amazing how different the temperature and the snow coverage is. Just within 20 or 30 minutes it changes.
Well, according to weather app, it was -9 here last night, so it's about 0 now, so it's not too bad.
So tomorrow the weather is going to warm up and we're going to head into the national park.
Where it'll be even colder.
Squirrel hunting. Well, as expected, it's raining, which is brilliant. It's brought the temperature up and got rid of all the snow and ice.
It's plus something, isn't it?
Plus about 3. So we're heading off now to Nuuksio National Park to find a lovely park up in the forest and hopefully go and find those squirrels. Flying squirrels. Yesterday we arrived here in Nuuksio National Park, and we went to the visitor centre, which is over there. Yesterday I had a lovely lunch, dog friendly, really nice, wasn't it? But then we realised that there was an event on today, so we asked if we could stay in the car park overnight and they said yes. So we're going to the flea market, the Christmas flea market, which is also an outdoor one.
Crimbo shopping.
Andrew is banned from buying any more hats.
Or knives.
Although you can buy a knife, he's just not buying a hat.
Oh, can I buy a knife?
Did you see one that's nice? Yeah.
Permission? I don't even need permission, I'm my own man.
Going there this morning, it's just opened, and then we're going to come back here for lunch because this afternoon the exhibition is free, which is a bargain because it should have been €13.50 and we nearly did it yesterday. And this afternoon also you can meet a Finnish photographer who does lots of nature stuff.
I'll give him a few tips about blurry photos.
Shake 'em up, yeah, you got it.
That's cute.
A man can never have enough knives, and this is very special because it's a traditional Nordic knife. Ooh, look at that.
Is it for you though?
Yes and no. It's actually, when you look closely, it's been ground off at the end. It's actually a child's knife, because even children here have stabby knives, and it's engraved on the side there.
Timo.
Yes, I might have to change my name to Timo Sullivan so it matches me now knife. But anyway, €9, and these are about 50-ish euros in gift shops and so on. So it looks weathered, but I don't mind that patina. I'm not going to use it as a knife. Well, because it's a children's knife, I might save it for my favourite grandbaby for the next 15 years until she is ready for her first knife.
Shake 'em up, yeah, you got it. Kiss it for luck and throw it like you want it. I'm talking 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven, I'm on a run that Vegas never seen before. So why run for the door? Baby, let the good times roll, roll with the punches and no matter how you roll the dice, let the good times roll, let the good times roll with the punches and no matter what it looks like, let the good times roll. I hit the jackpot with you. Everybody going crazy, they don't know what to do. Lady luck got me going on a run, who knew? They can't pull me away 'cause I'm stuck like glue. Baby, let the good times roll, roll with the punches and no matter how you roll the dice, let the good times roll, let the good times roll with the punches and no matter what it looks like, let the good times roll.
So we are in our last 2 nights in the countryside in Finland. So it's our last chance to get some wildlife shots. So because we're in Nuuksio National Park and the flying squirrels are here, we've got my night vision binoculars and we're going out in the dark to see if we can find any. So our little foray into the woods last night came to nothing.
That's a bit massive surprise.
And my nature camp put out overnight came to nothing.
Another massive surprise.
So today we're going to go and do the walk that says is the flying squirrel walk. We're looking for little tiny holes about 3 to 5 centimetres in live trees, more than 2 metres above the ground, or a nest box. And that's what we're looking for so we can come back tonight.
There's statistically more chance that I'll wake up in the morning with an extra penis than there is of us seeing a flying squirrel.
We will see. You look like you mean business with your arms.
Got me assertive pause because I'm assertive, me.
Well, after our second night at Nuuksio National Park, we have failed to find any wildlife.
But that's not a surprise because the nocturnal are flying squirrels anyway, so the likelihood we always knew is very low, so I'm not too disappointed.
We need to come back in the summer because in the summertime the lactating mums are out during the day and the babies.
Definitely coming back. Are we not going to come back and see flying squirrels?
Yes.
Lactating mums, that is the title of another vlog.
However, we have learnt an awful lot about the wildlife in this last few days in the park. We met a chap called Kai before we arrived at the park because we needed somewhere to do our grey waste, and he kindly let us do it at his campsite. But he is a professional photographer And we had
and guide, isn't he?
and
He's a
guide,
wildlife
yeah.
guide
We had a
as well.
really good chat with him about the local wildlife, and he showed us his YouTube channel. He's had a lynx walk through his garden. It's unbelievable, the wildlife here. So just knowing that it's here is incredible.
And it's a really good motivation for us to get out and walk, isn't it? Exploring the forests. Otherwise, you know, I'm pushing 40. If I don't get out and walk about a bit, you know, I might stiffen up.
But he also gave us a lovely book, and it's the first edition of a book published by Finland's professional nature photographers, and it's beautiful. And the book is amazing. It's got examples of photography from all over Finland.
Some of it is nearly as good as some of the pictures I've took.
Yeah, you could be in the next edition though. But beautiful. We've had such a wonderful experience.
And that is the end of this week, at the end of this vlog. As usual, just want to thank you for watching, and in particular your comments. It's your comments. It's Monday today, Monday the 1st of December, Merry Crimbo. And this morning I've woken up and we're starting to get some comments that always make me laugh. So thank you very much.
And join us next week for our final week. It is, as Andrew said, the 1st of December. So we are off to find some festive Finnish fun in Helsinki.